Hey, what's up Tube? Wellington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. And I know a lot of you have been wondering how the two XTREME 2s would compare to the BOOMBOX, and here is the video you've been waiting for. The two XTREME 2s will be playing in stereo mode, and for the BOOMBOX, some songs will be playing in outdoor mode and some in indoor mode. And as always, I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, most especially with the two XTREME 2s playing in stereo mode, use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Walk in the club like bosses. Always on the scene, stay flouncing. Show me what you got, cause I know what you want. Make it drop drop, but my ass the flow. Body frame built like a centerfold. Just enough ass the hoe. Everybody in the club wanna take me home. It's the weekend, so you know we it up. When the club in, we don't hit the after hours. Popping bottles in the club, yeah, we get stuck. Got you rock on the rocks, gon' go for the love. Shot after shot, we wasted, we blowin', we faded. Keep sipping to the wall, start spinning. Now stop till the bottles is finished.
I've had enough of this day. It seems to me that everything has gone so fast these days. Feels like I missed the boat. Please come my way. I will need your help. I think it's time to get out of my everyday life. Let's run away. Very far away. Let's drop the time and enjoy this life.
Okay, so as far as loudness, the BOOMBOX takes the cake. It's not by much, but it is louder. But remember that the BOOMBOX can only be put on one side of the room, let's say if you're having a party. But with the two XTREME 2s, you can put one on each side of the room and they will give you a more room feeling sound than the one XTREME, than the one BOOMBOX which is only put on one side of the room. Not to mention the amazing stereo image that you will be getting from the two XTREME 2s. There is only one thing that I will give to the BOOMBOX with no doubt, and that's the bass performance. The BOOMBOX goes way deeper in bass, hitting notes that the two XTREME 2s can only dream about, which is fantastic. And the fact that you can also switch different modes on the BOOMBOX, which will also give you different levels of bass performance, that's another plus for the BOOMBOX. But its poor mids and sizzly highs make it sound inferior to that of the two XTREME 2s, which sound way better even if they don't have as much bass. And did I already mention how good their stereo image is? Probably not. It's really good. And this probably goes without saying, but the two XTREME 2s take the lead here in this battle. Their stereo image and overall better balance puts them ahead of the BOOMBOX easily. What do you think? Drop me a comment down below. And if you feel like checking out to see how much these speakers are right now, or you want to pick up one, please use the links in the description section below. It really helps out the channel a lot. So I do appreciate those who go ahead and use those links. And yeah, I really appreciate it. Oh. I'm doing some recording here real quick.
Oh, okay.
Did you just fart?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, those are my kids. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and if you didn't like it, feel free to leave a dislike. I just want to get some sort of feedback from you because you watched the video. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching again. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.